Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14, and in this video I will show you how to check the exact model name of this laptop. The model name of the laptop can be found on the back cover of the device. So let me zoom the camera closer to the place where you can find the model name of the laptop. And in my case, the model name is indicated right here. As you can see, the model name of this laptop is 14CF21111WM. And that's the model name of the laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.